guys, we're back on Nameless Cat, and we just talked to this octopus right here. So he said this part was dangerous. Oh my god. Okay, it is really dangerous. It is dangerous indeed, I meant. We buying. Okay, oh, why can't we land on that though? We landed on it. Oh, we got that thing again, and we can push this to get across there. If you haven't checked out part 1, please check it out. This is part 2. So yeah, this is where we were. Okay. And bam. Okay, we did it. And bam. Okay. Deadly blade. Okay. Whoa. Okay. Oh my god, I did that just in time. Wait. But how can I get up there? Huh? Okay. Oh, it switches gravity for some reason. Oh, okay. Oh. We dodged it. Okay, that's good. Oh, there it is, the button. And we can use that to press that button. Okay, it is pressed. And I think I saw one of these right here. Yes. Oh my god. Why is this so hard? Why is it so hard?
How I got a Roblox gift card in 6 days.
Sign up for an ad. Wait guys. I'm gonna turn off my internet. Yes. Now it should be good. Oh, okay. Ah! Oh my god, why do I keep forgetting about that? Okay. That should come now. And let's stick to the right side so we can avoid that. Okay. Oh yeah, we needed that to press that, and then we go down here to collect one of these. Okay. Wait. Let's wait for the blades to go and then go. Oh my god, why do I keep forgetting about that? I was so close to oofing there. Okay. Stick to that side and boom. Now where do we go? Oh, we teleport to that. Okay. Oh my god. Wait, what is that though? Hello, are you another cat? I want to conversate with you, but looks like I can't. Hello? You're here just in time. I'm trying to get a good sleep right now. Therefore, I need to say goodnight to you. We might see each other again soon after all. At the same place next time. Okay, but where do we go? Okay, is he just gonna say zzz now? But where do we go now? Do we have to make this big jump? Hello? Where do I get my good night rest? Where do I get my good night rest, bro? Or where do I continue? Oh my god, I just dropped down here. Ah, dang it, I have to restart that puzzle over again. At least they could have given me a checkpoint. Like, why? Wait! I think we use that to get across here. Why am I so dumb? Oh my god. Okay. Let's just speed run this right now. Okay, now we head back. Wait, first let's get that thing which I don't know of. Okay, wait for it and boom! Go! Oh my god, why do I always get so close to oofing? Okay, now we can continue. And what are these movable blocks doing here? Like, do we have to move something again? It is her again. Watch out for the red monsters. They will pace back and forth and attack whoever passes by. Rumor has it, long time ago they were once normal animals like us. But they lost their hope to keep on living. In the end, they slowly turned into this. ... Some also said that they were the ones who found the treasure. No matter what the truth is, it won't stop me from going forward. Okay, I think we will see those red monsters now. Moving platform. But we have already seen moving platforms. Okay, we have to teleport to that. Oh my god! Wait. Okay, what do I do? Wait, this is movable too? Okay, and bam! Oh, I think this is what they meant of moving. What was that? What is that? What is that? Bro, what is that? Okay. Bang. Okay, we know there are tiny red bullets that are trying to get us. Okay, oh my god, why do I not see them? Why am I blind or something? Okay guys, I'm not blind, but why can't I see them? Are they going too fast? I don't know, bro. Okay, pass by. Okay, it has passing by. Oh, it's coming from here, I think. Hi, we meet again. Actually, my name is Jellyhead. By the way, your moves are quite sharp. I can't believe you jumped over those traps. But I would watch out for the red guy ahead. It sees you, it will charge towards you. Of course, I purposely stayed behind to tell you this. Otherwise, I would already move on. Why am I so goddamn great? Okay. Oh my god, this will charge at me. Okay. Wait, but didn't I need a checkpoint, bro? Why can't I just get a checkpoint in these games? Do I have to watch another ad or something? Let's watch ads. I need it. I have skipped. Oh my god. Oh well, at least now I have a checkpoint. Okay, go. Jump. Oh. If I didn't have a checkpoint, I would be in madness right now. Oh my god, why do... Why do they separate when I don't want them to separate? Okay. Let's watch out for that red dude. And boom. Okay, he can't see us. And boom. Let's go. Okay, so those are the cats which... Oh, here. Whoa. Okay. And go. Okay. Oh, okay. And we did. Okay. Oh no. Oh well. And go. Okay. Oh, what, bro? Huh? Okay. Oh my god. How did I land on the edge of those? Okay. And go. Oh my god, I did it too fast. Okay. Go! Why is bro just bonking his head into nothing? I mean into a wall, bro. Okay, and now another one. Oh, whoa. Oh, a penguin. Hello, penguin. Hey, man. Guess what? A hot penguin just passed by here. Have you seen her? Wait, hot? Oh my god. Believe me, she must be somewhere stalking us right now. Because my nose can't smell her scent. If you see her, let me know. Oh well, now we have to look out for a ominous lady. Oh, what was that? What was that, bro? What the hell was that? Okay. Now the breaking platforms. Bro, it is getting harder. But I did it late. Okay, go. And then jump. Okay, bang. Okay. And boom! What? How didn't I teleport to that? Oh my god, what? Let's make it see us. It will go there very fast and then we can go. Okay. Oh my god! Oh my god, why am I so bad? Oh my god. I almost oofed there again. Oh my god! Why do I always press the wrong button? Okay, finally I pressed the right button. Okay. Okay. Why is this so hard? Wait. I saw one of those right here. Okay. And okay, I got it. Why is it like so hard to find them? Okay, Penguin, I can't chat with you. I know you're looking for that hot lady. And I don't like. Oh my God, she's right there. Okay. I don't know if those two are related. Don't say it like that, Penguin. Because it's kind of cringe. Okay. I think this is the lady. Oh, what a adorable kitten! Come give me a hug. You must be careful walking around here by yourself. I smelled something strange just now. Oh, by the way, a penguin is following me around a lot lately. He might be a cat-loving pervert. If you're in danger, scream for help. But we can't even scream. Puzzle. How did you get past that monster? When I look back, you've already got rid of him. Could it be that you have the superpower to pass through the walls? I want a superpower too. A superpower to fly in the sky like Superman. Then I won't be scared of jumping over those spikes. I meant. Then I could help others pass through those spikes. Why am I so goddamn great? Okay. Let's go up. Okay, this is a whole puzzle. So that opened that, so let's go there. And let's push that right there. Oh, but we need that thing. Wait, let's push that up there. Let's push that right there and get the thing. Okay, I don't know what we need that thing for, but it is cool, so I get it. Okay. And what did that open up? I don't know. But I think it opened up something useful. I don't know. Oh, and we need to push that too. To open that for some reason. Whoa. But we have no block. Oh my God. Are you saying that I have to push that block down there? My senses are saying that. Okay. Why was I giggling? But it is impossible. We can't go there too. What the hell are we supposed to do then? What am I supposed to do? Wait, I have an idea. I have a very, very good idea. So we take this block and we make it go down there. That is what we had to do, bro. And now we use this block to get up there, and we did it. We did it. We did it. Okay. Easy path. Bro, this doesn't look easy. Okay. And bam. Okay. Oh Oh my god. Another one of these. Okay. 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 It might shoot one of these again. Okay. We did it. Wait. Oh my god. I needed to get that juice thing. Why did it turn hard now? Like, wasn't it easy last time? Okay, we just had to wait. Okay. Ah! Why am I so goddamn bad at this game? Just copying the octopus line. Okay. Oh my god, this game is so hard. Okay, just wait. Have patience. Vasu doesn't have patience for some reason. Oh my god, why is it so hard? Okay, if I beat this level, I'm just gonna end the video. And then later I'm gonna make a part 3. Oh my god, those headbutt jump. Oh my god. Okay. Have patience. Okay. Oh my god. Yeah. Oh, I made that jump. That's cool. I made that jump. Whee! And bang. Bam. Okay. And then bam. Okay. Bam. Okay. Let's go. Wait. Something is up there, but I don't know what it is. Can we TP up there? Wait. Let's wait for it. Something was up there, but I don't know what it was. Hey Kitty, let me tell you something. Some travelers will leave canned cat food behind. And if you find any, you can trade those with the merchant for some items. You can trade canned cat food for skins from the menu. If we can find a way out and leave this church, we can head over to the forest across the bridge. Look on the bright side. The church is still standing after all those years. Perhaps we can still find the exit. Okay. Oh yay, we got that one for free. Oh. And we did it! Okay, I'm gonna end the video here. If you love the video, make sure to like and subscribe. And bye.